Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the style of your table inserted to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and start creating your slides. Insert a table in the insert section at the top, and after that you should find this style options button at the top where you can find 6 options: header row, first column, total row, banded rows or banded columns, and next to it you can find other style options. If you tap on this arrow you can find a bunch of ideas: light, medium or dark, and just simply tap on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically, as you can see. And you can also add colors to certain rows and columns by tapping on this button next to it. So feel free to customize your table. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.